In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Base44 app on Cloudflare. We'll walk through the connection process from Base44 to GitHub and then into Cloudflare, so your project is set up for deployment in a clean and organized way. If you're following along, it helps to have access to your Base44 project, your GitHub account, and your Cloudflare dashboard before you begin. Start by going to Base44. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your app is connected to GitHub. This connection is important because it gives you a reliable source for your project files and makes deployment to other services much smoother. After that, open your project dashboard in Base44. This is where you'll see your available apps and project settings. From the dashboard, select the project you want to deploy. Make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you manage multiple apps, because the next steps will apply specifically to that project. Once you've opened the right project, click on the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional options and integrations related to your app. From there, click on the GitHub connection. This is the area where Base44 links your project repository and prepares it for deployment workflows. Next, move over to Cloudflare and sign into your account. After logging in, look for the option to connect to GitHub. Select that option to begin linking Cloudflare with your repository. This step allows Cloudflare to access the code connected to your Base44 project so it can build and deploy the app properly. At this stage, the overall process is about connecting your project to GitHub, proxying your custom domain through Cloudflare DNS, and if needed, optionally deploying Cloudflare workers to handle custom backend tasks. In simple terms, GitHub holds your code, Cloudflare helps deliver your app and manage your domain, and workers can be used if your application needs server-side logic or lightweight backend functionality. As you go through the setup, double-check that the correct repository is connected and that Cloudflare has the permissions it needs. If you plan to use a custom domain, make sure your DNS is being managed through Cloudflare so traffic can be routed correctly. And if you don't need backend customization right away, you can always skip the workers portion for now and add it later. Once these connections are in place, your Base44 app is much better positioned for deployment through Cloudflare with a more streamlined setup going forward.